Hey, it is once again time for the Law on You with the area's premier attorneys, Fellerman and Ciarimboli. Ed, do you get itchy just thinking about the snow that's going to be coming?
I can't wait. It snowed the other day at the top of Killington Mountain in Vermont. So, very exciting.
Did you know that, Greg?
Very exciting. Can't wait.
No comment. Okay, well, hopefully you have a comment for this. It's our question. Vanessa in Glen Summit writes, my doctor's misdiagnosis led to months of unnecessary anxiety and mental health issues. Even though the physical symptoms weren't life-threatening, can I file a lawsuit?
You can. Obviously, if there's negligence and causation there, how, quote unquote, the value of this, whether it rises to something that's above the level of magistrate or
you're being very kind.
Yeah, I wouldn't take this case. I would not take that. I wouldn't take this case. Your question is, can you? The answer is yes. If your question was, should I? The answer would be no. You should not, because I think you're probably. Even though you had some injuries, they're de minimis, and I just don't think this would not be the type of case that we would end up taking.
Here's the truth, people. We get these phone calls all the time, and it's very upsetting that you're going through this. And yes, the doctor made a mistake, but the problem is these cases we fight tooth and nail. The money's expended, the time, and unfortunately, it's not easy to recover. So these are the types of cases we reject more phone call medical malpractice cases than we sign up, because people are so upset by the medical system. And you're not the only person, but these are tough cases, and this would not be one you could do.
We would end up spending more on this case than you would ultimately recover. So just, it economically doesn't make sense.
Well, you got a shout out on TV, Vanessa. If you wanted your question answered, just visit the websites or give the hotline a call.